This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Position the booster near the battery, keep both vehicles or the unit off, and engage the parking brake. Put on gloves and eye protection. Safety first. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal, then clamp the black lead to a clean metal chassis point or engine block away from the battery to avoid sparks. Once clamps are secure, make sure cables are clear of moving parts and steps are visible. You're ready for the next phase. Power up the booster correctly. You now power the booster on and confirm the lights or display show proper voltage. That tells you the unit is delivering current. Try to start the engine with short bursts, 3 to 5 seconds, then pause 30 to 60 seconds to prevent overheating the starter. If the engine turns over but is sluggish, allow the engine to run for 2 to 5 minutes to recharge the battery enough for a safe disconnect. Once it's running smoothly, you're ready to remove clamps in the proper order. You finish by switching the booster off and removing clamps in reverse order, black negative first, then red positive, so you minimize spark risk. Make sure all leads are stowed and the battery caps are secure. Let the car idle or take a short drive for 10 to 20 minutes to top up the battery. This reduces the chance of immediate repeat failure. If the car still won't start, recheck clamp contact and terminal corrosion, test battery age or health, and call roadside assistance if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.